How to use C's SIM220 to achieve automatic liquid separation with high vacuum flow rate. Add a buffer tank to collect the liquid. Connect the automatic liquid separator to the branch line. Monitoring of vacuum pressure and vacuum flow rate by pressure gauge and airflow meter. Airflow meter unit, liter per minute. Vacuum unit, MPa. Airflow, liter per minute. Simulate the working process of vacuum chuck and vacuum table. The drain indicator light comes on and draining starts. The vacuum pressure gauge reading remains unchanged during the drainage process. Achieve the effect of not losing vacuum during the discharge process. Replaced with 8 mm tubing. Replaced with 8 mm tubing. Changing the branch line to a smaller one will not affect the flow rate of the main line. It will not affect the speed of the automatic liquid separator to separate liquids. When increasing the volume of the buffer tank and the inner diameter of the main line, a greater vacuum flow rating, the main line can be achieved. If the flow of liquid is too much, an additional liquid separator can be added to obtain greater liquid separation capacity. It is well adapted to various liquid separation scenarios.